Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be trying out the ELF Cosmetics Putty Bronzers, and I'm so excited. I always say I'm excited. I just realized that every time I am editing my videos, but I am excited because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am feeling a little down. I did get vaccinated, so I feel like I'm really tired. The first day I was having like a lot of body aches, but now I just feel super tired. Like I just feel really drained. So I don't know. So I'm pushing myself to do this video, you guys, because I've been wanting to film it. I got sent 3 of the shades right here. I'm going to show you guys really quick. 3 shades right here. And I'm also going to be trying out their Acne Fighting Putty Primer. They also sent me the Poreless Putty Primer, but I've already tried this. But I'm going to be trying this out today. I did realize I do have a pimple here, so it's going to work out. We're going to check it out, see if it works. So I'm excited, so let's go ahead and get started with the video. I got another brush sent to me, which I am so happy about because I really love the other one I got sent, which is basically the same thing. So if you guys want this, you guys can go ahead and get it. I think it's available in Target. I think I've seen it there. But it is a perfect brush to use for any cream products because it's going to distribute it very nicely. I'm going to have a link for any of these products down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. The links are going to be what is it called, affiliate. So if you shop from there, I am going to get some money, which actually helps me out a lot. So if you guys do use that link, it will mean the world to me, and I want to thank you in advance for using them. So we're gonna go ahead and try this Acne Fighting Putty Primer. I'll be putting the price here for you guys. And it's like a green tint, which actually the color green will always fight against any pink or red tones in your face. So even if you have a little bit of redness, it is going to help so much. And you could even mix it in with a little bit of concealer and it's going to work out perfectly. So I'm going to be just grabbing a little bit of a brush here just to kind of apply it on my face right over here. I think I have a little bit, only a little bit of redness going on, which I need a mirror so you guys can see. I'm gonna apply it right on my lip. It's like not really showing up, which I'm a little confused about. Do I have to like mix it in with a little bit of concealer? I'm like confused because I feel like it should be. Maybe let me dig in more. Oh, there it is a little bit. So I had to kind of like dig in like a lot so I can kind of get, there's hair all over it. So I can dig in a lot so I can try to get that pigment on it. If not, then it was just going to be like liquidy, not liquidy, but like, I don't know. I'm a little confused. So maybe what I could do is mix it in with a little bit of concealer. I'm going to grab my Milk Makeup concealer and I'm going to apply it there and just make sure to blend that out, or you could even tap it in there. Can you see that? I have a little bit of redness here, so I'm gonna try putting it right here and then adding a little concealer. Okay, so far that is how it's looking. I don't know, I have to basically put on foundation and everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So this is how the foundation is looking. You can tell that I have my pimple there, but maybe it's not that pigmented. But I would highly recommend, you're better off kind of like getting the putty primer, the Acne Fighting one, the green one, and mix it in a little bit with the concealer and just kind of add it there. I feel like it's gonna work better for you. So that's just my tip for this product. So the next product that I'm going to be talking, which I'm actually the one that I'm really excited about, are the new putty bronzers. Now they gave me obviously really dark shade, which I am not going to be using, but I can actually use it for my eyeshadow if I wanted to, just to kind of make it a little bit more smoky. So I'm going to be using this as an eyeshadow today, and then I'm going to be using these 2 shades, maybe this one to kind of bronze and then maybe this one to deepen a little bit kind of like contouring. That is my plan today. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. So this one is called Tan Lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. And this one looks like this. So this one's like a little bit more of a cool toned bronzer, which I feel like a lot of light skinned girls will love this one. Now if you're in the medium tones, I'm gonna try, you should try this one. This one is called Bronze Belle, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here for you guys. I'm going to be swatching them here, and then you guys can go ahead and just see how I use it on my face. So this one's more of a deeper one right there, so you can see that. Now the last one, of course, is for my deep skin girls and boys. This one's called Beach Please, and it's beach as in like the beach, okay, like la playa. And then we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one, and I'm gonna put it right over here so you guys can see that. It looks like a little bit of a cool tone kind of bronzer. So just wanted to let you guys know if you guys are interested in this deep one for any deep skin tone. That is it. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be using this for my eyelids. This is a little bit too dark for me to be using on my face. I'm going to be using the Putty brush applicator, and I think these bronzers are going to be going for $6, just like the blushes. Like I said, my favorite blush from the Putty blush is a shade Bahamas, which is this one. It's like a coral color. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one, and it was called Tan Lines, and I'm going to be swerving that in, and that is it. And we're gonna be tapping it in there and just adding it as a bronzer. I kind of like contouring but bronzing, but I really like how this looks so far. Do you guys see how that looks so nice? I love the way these Putty bronzer and blushes blend, especially with this brush. You guys, I'm telling you, you need this brush. Like, it is the best applicator. Look, and it takes off all the product and it like applies it to your face. And I really like that, and it blends very, very nicely. See that right there? Like, that looks really, really nice. Now, to deepen the contour slash bronzer moment, I am going to be using this one. Like, again, this one's called Bronze Belle. And I'm going to go in with this. You guys see it's a little bit darker. And we're going to be tapping it in there. Ooh, do you guys see how just darker that is? I'm going to just apply that here. Okay, so this one's more noticeable, as you can tell, and it's like very, very nice. And what I like about these is that they don't dry that fast, so you have like a pretty good time limit to blend them out. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I really like the way it blends, and it looks very nicely. I feel like it kind of went too low here, so I'm using my foundation brush for this. That is looking really, really nice. So what I want to do is I'm going to be grabbing the Putty bronzer. This is the shade Beach Please. And I'm going to be using this on my eyelids, like I said. I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of that and just kind of adding it to my eyelids. And just blending that all over. And this is just like an easy kind of like makeup go-to if you want to use your bronzer to as your eyeshadow. I feel like this is going to work perfectly on the eyelids and on the eyes. And you could just add a little bit of mascara and you're good to go. Okay, now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of eyeliner and some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I am back, and I'm gonna go in and add my favorite blush from ELF, and it's a Putty blush in the shade Bahamas, which I thought I took out, and I guess I put it back in. But it is this one right here, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one on so you guys can see the color. You guys, I'm obsessed with this, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Ooh, that looks really nice with that bronzer. And honestly, I think the one that I'm going to be using the most, it is going to be this shade right here. I feel like it's just going to give me the pigment in the shade that I want as a bronzer slash contour, and this is in the shade Bronze Spell. So if you guys are like my skin tone, I would recommend something like this. Now if you're more on the fair side, I would recommend the tan lines. So you guys, do you see that? That is so pretty. And for my lips today, I am going to be using Kaleidos. This is in the shade Mahogany, I think, and it's like a brown color, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to use this since we're kind of brown today. So this is the final look. So you guys, that is the video, and let me tell you guys what I think. So far, I am loving the Putty Bronzers. I knew I was gonna like them, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I knew I was gonna like them, but I wanted to do a video for you guys because I have been seeing comments on people wanting me to do a video on it, so I did it. Now the Acne Fighting Putty Primer, I highly just recommend you mixing this with a concealer. I feel like it's just gonna work better like that. I was having trouble. You can kind of see my pimple there on top of the lipstick or under the lipstick. But yeah, I highly recommend the Putty Bronzers for sure. I'm going to be leaving the link down below if you guys want to shop any of the ELF products that I used. And I also highly recommend this brush, you guys. I cannot talk any better. Like, it's just such a, like, I used it and like all the product is gone. Like, it actually just puts all the product on your face and it blends it out really nicely. So highly recommend that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. Even though, you guys, that doesn't work. I've been seeing people tell me that they don't get the notifications, and I don't know why it does that. So make sure you guys leave a comment and a thumbs up, like that YouTube knows you guys are interested, and recommend it to any other person. Also, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, make sure you guys are following me there. I'm always posting there. And that's it. Thank you, ELF Cosmetics, for sending the products over, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.